We've had a couple of incredible media opportunities pop up for some of our unknown authors. We lost them because these authors didn't have a website showcasing their expertise. If you are an author or you're going to be an author and you're expecting and hoping to land big media, speaking, or other business opportunities from your book, you have to watch this video right now. So stick with me, okay? Hey, I'm Julie the Book Broad with Book Launchers, your fabulous professional self-publishing team helping you write, publish, and sell nonfiction books that will grow your business and make you money. We're gonna hit this one hard today. You need a website, or at the very least, a page on your business website dedicated to your book. Not optional. So what should be on this site and what should it look like? Well, I have a couple examples for you and a little bit of a checklist. What do you want first? It doesn't matter what you want because I've already decided. It's kind of like when you're married. I ask my husband, Dave, what he wants for dinner sometimes, but it doesn't actually matter because I'm gonna make what I want to eat. So let's talk author websites, shall we? Let's go to the first example I have for you. This is financialmentor.com. It's Todd Tresidder's site. He released The Leverage Equation in late 2018. So what I love about this site, it's clean, it's bright, and because he has a ton of content, it even tells you where to start if you're new. Yes, nice work, Todd. And front and center is an offer to subscribe to his newsletter. Get your free wealth blueprint here. This is so important. I've covered it in many videos, but in case you're new here, watch this video on Author Platform and this playlist on building an email newsletter list. A book buyer is nice. Well, that's great. But an email subscriber can become a long-term relationship where they buy your books, your products, your services, your recommended resources, and on for years and years to come. Now, speaking of books, Todd has many, which is why you have to click to products to find them. But they pop up and they have links to buy them. It's great. On my website list, number one must have a clear call to action above the fold. That means before someone has to scroll, a clear call to action to subscribe to your newsletter. That's number one. Number two, include a list of published books. If you've only published one, well, the list is short, but you still have a list. Number three, include a blog to showcase your personality and your writing. Todd has a lot here. So we're gonna actually move to another example in case you're a new author and not as established in your business. Todd's a rock star in the financial planning industry, and his extensive website reflects that depth of expertise, but he's also been doing this for a while. So let's go to another example. JamesClear.com, not a client of ours, but this is such a clean and clear example of a book-specific website, and it's trying to create a relationship with someone interested in the book. So I wanted to share it as a nice template. And this is also a great example of number 4 on my list and number 5 on my list. Number 4, your website prominently displays the new release book. And number 5, it's easy to navigate. Let's look at another example. Here's Carol Sanford's website. Again, a multi-book author who does a lot of speaking. Speaking is quite prominently displayed along with her books. But it's a great example of number 6, which is make it easy to find a way to contact the author. Number 7, it's easy to see where you can connect with the author on social media. So let's recap quickly. Here's the 7 essential elements of your author website. Subscribe to the newsletter offer above the fold. Includes a list of published books. Blog showcasing the author's expertise. Prominently displays new or impending releases of your book. Is easy to navigate. Provides an obvious way to contact the author. Includes links to the author's social media profiles. I didn't cover this one, but that's okay. It also needs your book cover image, your bio with an author picture, book description, and buying links. Let's call those the 4 book Bs. Book cover, bio, book description, and buying links. I just made that up. Your author website needs those elements, plus the following. Oh yeah, if you're just doing a single page on your website, like you see Carol and Todd did, that's fine, but make sure you've got that book cover image, ideally in 3D, because that just looks better, your author bio, your book description, the links to where your book can be purchased, and links to your social media, in case I haven't said it enough, a lead capture field so readers can easily sign up for your newsletter or mailing list. Whew! And the good news is that you should not have to spend thousands of dollars developing a website. There's plenty of people who will help you design and set up a website like this for $1,000 or less. But hiring great website folks is a topic for another day. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you catch that when we cover it in the future. And please smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment. If you comment the day a video is released, you'll be entered to win some sweet Book Launcher swag like this fantastic #NoBoringBooks mug. Now, go ahead and click the video on Author Platform or on one of these other fabulous videos to watch. I've got so much more to share. See you on the next video.